Hi, my name's Kevin. I live just outside Nashville, Tennessee, and I'm the proud new owner of a Monolith ceramic grill, BBQ Guru Edition. I was looking around for something to replace a smoker and then a regular propane grill that could kind of do it all. You know, the low and slow cooking as well as the high temp stuff. So I did a little research and settled on the BBQ Guru Edition. Just thought it had some advantages over the other popular varieties, and I couldn't be more pleased. Packaging and the way it came was great. It went together really easily once I had some help. It is a hefty piece of gear. Aesthetically, it's a good looking grill. I know that doesn't affect how it cooks, but really the black polish, ceramic and chrome and bamboo, it's aesthetically a pretty cool looking grill. One of the big tests for me when it comes to a charcoal smoker or grill is what is the temperature control like? And I've only cooked with this a handful of times. I've not even cranked up my CyberQ yet, and man, really impressive. First of all, it'll get hot. Second or third time I lit it, I left it for about 10 minutes, came back outside, and it was at 675 degrees, something like that. Boy, once you start really messing with the lower vent, the top vent to control the temp, it really locks in, and that to me is just always a good sign of airflow and no leaks, and it just built really well. So I'm loving that, loving this cooker so far, and look forward to many years of cooking on it.